Shy Timmy unveils robot toy in lively schoolyard. Suddenly, a bigger kid named Alex snatches the toy, laughing mockingly with his friends, calling Timmy weird. The camera zooms in on Timmy's sad face as he sits alone on a bench, feeling isolated. Cut to a magical twist. A glowing light orb appears from the sky, transforming into a friendly, wise owl character named Ollie, who whispers to Timmy, "Bullying hurts hearts, but kindness builds bridges." Ollie invites Timmy on an innovative adventure inside a dreamlike school where emotions are visible as colorful auras. They witness Alex's aura turning dark and stormy from his mean actions, causing him to trip over invisible regret rocks. In an innovative sequence, the kids enter a mirror maze of empathy, where each mirror reflects how bullying feels from the victim's perspective. Alex sees himself small and scared, reliving Timmy's pain, his eyes widening in realization. Timmy, empowered, shares his robot toy's story, how it represents creativity and friendship, sparking a group invention challenge. The story innovates with a collaborative build. The kids team up to create a giant kindness robot that lights up the school, symbolizing unity. Alex apologizes, his aura brightening to sunny yellow, and they all high-five as confetti rains down. The video ends with Ollie narrating, "Remember, every act of kindness defeats bullying. Be the hero of your school." Fade out on laughing kids sharing toys, with uplifting music and text overlay. Choose kindness every day. Style: colorful 3D animation. Fast-paced with whimsical effects. 1 minute length.